Hello, I'm Louise Helton, Communications Specialist for Nevada Kids Count. The Nevada Kids Count project is funded by the Annie E. Casey Foundation and is located at the Center for Business and Economic Research at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. I'm here today to talk about the newly released findings from our Nevada Kids Count book for 2014. Mostly, the news is good when comparing the data from the 2014 data book to the data of the 2013 data book. Among the 7 indicators for child well-being, we improved in 6 of them. These include the infant mortality rate, the child death rate, the teen death rate, the teen birth rate, the percentage of children living in poverty, and the percent of low birth weight babies. One indicator worsened, and that was the adjusted cohort rate for graduation. Among the indicators that improved, the teen death rate and the teen birth rate improved the most. From 2010 to 2012 to 2011 to 2013, the teen birth rate declined by 9.2%, and the teen death rate declined by 8.3%. The only indicator that did not improve was the adjusted cohort graduation rate. It declined slightly from 70.7% for 2012-2013 to 70% in 2013 to 2014. So the data reveal the status of Nevada's children is improving, albeit slowly. For more information and to get the copy of the Nevada Kids Count data book online, go to kidscount.unlv.edu.